All that I am, all that I have, I lay them down before you, oh Lord. All my regrets and all my acclaim, the joy and the pain, I'm making them yours. Lord, I offer my life to you. Everything I've been through, use it for your glory. Lord, I offer my days to you, lifting my praise to you as a pleasing sacrifice.